So I've just made it down to Yarramundi Reserve. Yeah, gonna go see if I can shoot some birds, test out the new camera and lens even further. It's quite a bit of activity now. Like, it's not the best time of day to be doing it, like midday, but I found that's when the wrens are everywhere, bouncing around in front of me, and so yeah, suss it out, set up a spot, have a good afternoon. Whew. Just make my way down to the water. Got a big dog with me. Far out. Last time I was here, the water was like pretty much up where that tree is. So it's come down quite a bit now because I just had time to get away. So I'll set up somewhere quiet. And got some Eurasian coots down in the water. I'm probably not going to be able to see them, but hen over there. There you go, the swamp hen. Right, so just sat down. I'm going to get the camera going, get the exposure right. I'm going to shutter speed to 1/1000. Nice and fast for those real small birds. They're so quick. Right, so I've sort of been a little bit unsuccessful so far. I mean, I got this little grey, probably can't see, grey fantail thing. I'll put that up. I might have to go for a little walk, and it's super hard to focus with this fucking thing, to be honest. It's sick because of the distance, but you're not as nimble, you know, you can't just quickly move around. So I still haven't quite got much. I went for a little walk, like up over there on the other side. There's heaps of people around at the moment, so there's actually a dude top of the hill. He's doing some sort of vlog or content creation. So I managed to get this photo. Don't know if you can see it, probably not. Right, it's been a couple of hours now, but I was actually able to film like a few egrets and stuff that were like catching fish or eating, and yeah, there's a little bit of activity that I've got on camera in video format, including some wrens. But yeah, just waiting for some more stuff to come by. So I hope you enjoyed all that video footage there of some behaviours of these animals. I'm so glad to have captured all that. Right, I'll chuck the old neck mount on and we'll go for a little walk. Camera's down to 1 bar now anyway. I've only got the 1 battery for this, unfortunately. Managed to capture this final shot of an egret flying off over the distance. So yeah, that's it. Camera's dead, so that's the end of that chapter. Alright, so that's going to do it for today. We'll get back, assess all the footage, and I mean, like, it wasn't the best day, but in terms of photos anyway, I did get quite a bit of video footage, which is pretty cool. So I haven't really filmed anything before, so it'd be interesting to look at that footage and put it together. And I do have a few photos that I can put up, so I'll see what they look like, do some editing and get them up. Yeah, cheers guys, I'll see you later. Tracking it back.